Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to expand on the glue line test that I had done because people wanted me to get more technical. They wanted me to include more information. They wanted me to include Japanese, and they wanted me to glue them up differently. So I am doing all of that in this video, and it was a lot of fun. I mean, it was tedious doing all of this, but it was a blast. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a cherry board and a maple board, making 2 cuts with each saw and gluing those together. So the first one's going to be just face-to-face, 1 cherry, 1 maple, and then the other one is going to be like cherry and then take the maple and flip it and glue those together so you can get a really good idea of what these saws are going to look like if you don't clean up that glue line. I also have 12 different saws, so 6 of them are Japanese, 6 of them are Western. I'll answer the question already because I posted a video on this. You can't tell a difference between the two. They both cut very smoothly, so that debate that's been going on forever, that's solved. It's going to come down to preference on what style of saw you like more. The other thing is some people were saying that they couldn't see the defects in camera and in picture, so they wanted me to give my opinion. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the defects that I see, so that hopefully that'll highlight it and you guys can see what I'm seeing being live with all of these different blocks. So again, I have to get nitpicky with everything. I feel like that's my job as a YouTuber. If I'm going to do reviews and comparisons, I have to nitpick. But think about it. All of these cuts weren't cleaned up. They were just glued together and just with hand pressure. I didn't clamp anything and then sanded them and put some finish on them. And they look really good. All of them look good. I mean, so much so that I actually had to circle them with a pencil because you guys were saying in the last video you couldn't see the defects. So that's just something to keep in mind. They all performed well. The glue lines are really nice on all of them. I did pick a winner again because I got nitpicky, but it's making me wonder if I really need to spend as much time as I do cleaning up glue lines. Now maybe if it's like a full tabletop I might want to, but like little joints, I don't know. You guys can debate that down below. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know, and have a good day.